Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Safford local and long-distance movers near me. Changing residence and getting a new place is one of the most thrilling and exciting decisions one can make. You have to sort out several things before the relocation. You have to sort and organize all your belongings for a start. Are you unsure where or how to start? Hiring full-service professional assistants would eradicate all of the drama and tension. It is critical to research by reading consumer evaluations, contacting government authorities, and comparing several estimates from several companies. At 3 Men and a Truck, Safford, Arizona, we check all the boxes and meet all the standards. We offer the finest moving assistance for transporting your belongings quickly and securely. We take pleasure in providing the most outstanding service to suit your moving requirements, regardless of the distance or weight of your luggage. We are dependable, reliable, and affordable. We provide the best moving service Safford has to offer. Our vehicles can carry heavy items, and they are very roomy. Our staff are courteous and committed to delivering the best moving services. Do you know why we are the best in the game? Our all-inclusive service package is self-evident. We assist customers with packing, boxing, loading, and unloading at their specified location. While you relax and enjoy the beauty of Safford, Arizona, our professional movers and packers handle your valuables with care and choose the best relocation plan for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Safford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.